you know that I'm going to be doing Roblox videos. This is a video to tell y'all guys what I'm going to be doing for you. So bye and have fun. And yes, I know my YouTube logo doesn't look this fun, but that's because she's ugly. No, I'm just playing. We're the same person. I'd put on a necklace. Don't I look cool? Well, bye guys. See you. I don't even know when I'm gonna see you, but bye. Bye guys. Oh, and before I leave, I'm gonna be very neighborly. Very neighborly. I don't have a house. Just playing. Well, yeah, this is the end of the video. Bye. I'm gonna go somewhere dark, so I can scare people. Let me know. Tell people that this is the movie theater. And keep it P. Okay, stand on that. Stand on business. Bye, guys.